Hello everyone, welcome to Coding with B. So in this series, we are going to create one smart agriculture Flutter application with Node.js backend, and also we are going to implement AI/ML model also. Okay. So in this video, we are just going to see the small preview of our application. This is not the exact screen. Okay, this is just a like an overview. What are the screens that we are going to create in these applications? Okay. So basically, we are starting with one registration screen. Here there will be role base like farmer and customers. Okay, so this one will be registration screen and another will be login screen. Okay, based on it, yeah, user data will be stored in Postgres. Okay, so for database we are going to use Postgres. So and another screen will be this is the detection using AI/ML model. This is just an overview. We need to upload one image. Whenever we click detect, it will detect the disease and also give us some advice. Okay. Here we are going to use machine learning model like CNN. Okay. Next one will be weather forecast using weather API. Here we are going to use the weather API. For that you need the API key also. You can create your own API key and you can use it. Okay, it is totally free. Then we are going to create one crop library, and if you see here there is crop library. There are many like cultivation time, description, what are different types of crops. This list will be we are going to generate this list. Okay, we are going to generate this list, and through API we are going to fetch that list. Okay, basically we are going to create one database in our Postgres, and from the Postgres we are going to fetch this data in our mobile application. Then there will be one crop calendar and task management screen. Okay, if you want to create some kind of task that at this time we need to do our cultivation, we need to do our we need to spread medicine at that time, so you can manage this kind of tasks, and this data will be stored in Postgres. Then there will be daily Mandi prices for the crops, district and state level wise, also the market wise. If you see here, you can choose the category, you can choose state, district, market, from and to that. Based on that you will get some the data will be displayed based on the prices and the selected time frame. It will display in the chat. Okay, so this data will be fetched from same agri market API. Okay, for that you need to apply for API key. I will show you how to apply for API key. Then after that you get one API key and you can fetch that data from their API. Okay, then will be one AI fertilizer recommendation based on crop stage and soil health. Okay, as you see here you need to select crop stage, nitrogen, potassium, pH, organic carbon, temperature and rainfall. Based on that you will get the AI fertilizer recommendation based on your crop. Okay, and many more we will be we are going to develop in this application. Okay, so for that you just need to do one thing, you just stay with us. Okay, we are going to create awesome smart agriculture Flutter application. Okay, this will be a like full stack application. You are going to learn how to create backend part also, how to create for front end part also. Okay, for that you just need to subscribe. Okay, anyway, in the next video we are going to create the API part of our registration. Okay, in the next part we are going to create our API part for our registration and the login. After that we are going to see the Python code, how to create this detection model. Okay, after that we are going to work on our Flutter part. Okay, first two part will be registration API, login API. Second will be creating our AI model. After that we are going to jump into the Flutter part, where we are going to create one registration and login page. After that the successful login, we are going to create one disease detection page. Okay, after that we are going to move forward to weather API. We are going to create crop library, we are going to create the task management and calendar system also. Then we are going to check our Mandi API. Okay, we can move forward like this. Okay, anyway, thank you.